Hey there, investors. Get this. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has a new game plan for 2025. This ain't some fly-by-night scheme. This is Buffett we're talking about. The guy's a legend. Buffett's been killing it in the market for decades. He doesn't follow the herd, he's got his own playbook. And guess what? He's sharing some secrets. This ain't just for Wall Street hotshots. It's for everyday investors like you and me. We're talking long-term growth, baby. So buckle up because we're diving deep into Buffett's 2025 strategy. Who is this Buffett guy anyway? Born in Omaha, Nebraska, Buffett wasn't handed a silver spoon. This guy started hustling early, delivering newspapers, selling gum, you name it. Even as a kid, he was obsessed with making money grow. He caught the investing bug early. At 11 years old, he bought his first stock. Talk about starting young. He studied under the best, learning value investing from Benjamin Graham himself. The rest, as they say, is history. Buffett built his empire brick by brick, always sticking to his guns. He's proof that slow and steady wins the race. So, what's the secret sauce? Value investing, baby. That's Buffett's bread and butter. It's all about finding those hidden gems, those undervalued companies with solid fundamentals. Think of it like this. You're buying a dollar for 50 cents. That's what Buffett looks for. He's patient, waits for the right opportunity, then bam, he pounces. He doesn't chase fads or get caught up in hype. He's in it for the long haul, and that's how he's racked up billions. Alright, here's the juicy stuff. Buffett's 2025 playbook, what's he got his eye on? First off, he's still a big believer in America. He's betting on the US economy, saying it's got plenty of steam left. He's also bullish on tech, but not just any tech. He's looking at companies with a wide moat, meaning they've got a competitive edge that's tough to beat. Think Apple, Microsoft, those big players. But here's the kicker. He's also diversifying. He's got his fingers in energy, infrastructure, and even some international markets. This guy's not afraid to spread the love. Section 5 Tech Titans, Buffett's new frontier. Now, about those tech titans. The world of technology has always been a fast-paced, ever-evolving landscape, and for many years Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, seemed to steer clear of it. His investment strategy was rooted in traditional industries like insurance, banking, and consumer goods. But times have changed, and so has Buffett's approach. Buffett's been a bit slow to the tech party in the past, but he's making up for lost time. Historically, he avoided tech stocks because he didn't fully understand the sector. He famously said he wouldn't invest in something he couldn't wrap his head around. But as technology became an integral part of everyday life and business, Buffett began to see the writing on the wall. He's realized that tech is the future, and he wants a piece of the pie. The tech industry isn't just about the latest gadgets or social media platforms. It's about innovation, efficiency, and the future of how we live and work. Buffett's shift towards tech investment signifies a broader understanding of the market's direction. He's not chasing after every shiny new gadget, though. Buffett's strategy remains rooted in his core principles of value investing. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals, a competitive edge, and the potential for long-term growth. It's not about the latest trend, it's about sustainable success. He's looking for companies with staying power, those that are going to be around for the long haul. This means focusing on businesses that have a proven track record, robust financial health, and a clear vision for the future. Companies that can weather economic downturns and come out stronger on the other side. Think companies like Amazon, Google, the ones that dominate their industries. These tech giants have not only revolutionized their respective fields but have also created ecosystems that are hard to disrupt. Their influence extends far beyond their core products and services, making them attractive investments for someone like Buffett. He sees the potential for massive growth in these companies, and he's willing to bet big on their continued success. Buffett's foray into the tech sector is a testament to his ability to adapt and evolve with the times. It's a strategic move that aligns with his long-term investment philosophy, ensuring that his portfolio remains robust and future-proof. Section 6. Energy and infrastructure building for the future. But wait, there's more. This section delves into the critical areas of energy and infrastructure which are the lifeblood of modern economies. As we look towards the future, these sectors will play an increasingly vital role in shaping our world. Buffett's also got his eye on energy and infrastructure. His investment strategy is not just about immediate returns, but about long-term sustainability and growth. He understands that these sectors are fundamental to the functioning of society and the economy. He sees these as essential sectors for growth, especially as the global economy continues to expand. With urbanization on the rise and more people moving to cities, the demand for robust infrastructure and reliable energy sources is higher than ever. In energy, he's looking at both traditional and renewable sources. This dual approach ensures that there is a balance between meeting current energy needs and investing in the future of clean energy. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar are becoming more viable and cost-effective, while traditional sources like oil and gas still play a crucial role. He knows that the world needs energy, no matter where it comes from. The lights of our cities, the power for our industries, and the energy for our homes all depend on a steady and reliable supply. By diversifying his investments across different energy sources, Buffett is ensuring that there is always a backup plan. He's investing in companies that are well positioned to meet that demand. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, developing new technologies and methods to produce and distribute energy more efficiently. They are also focused on sustainability, ensuring that their operations have minimal impact on the environment. On the infrastructure side, he's looking at everything from roads and bridges to airports and seaports. These are the backbone of any economy, facilitating trade, travel, and communication. Without a strong infrastructure, economic growth would be stunted, and opportunities for development would be limited. These are the backbone of any economy, and he sees a lot of potential for growth in this area. Investing in infrastructure not only creates jobs, but also boosts productivity and efficiency. It lays the foundation for future growth, enabling businesses to expand and communities to thrive. Buffett's vision for the future is one where energy and infrastructure are seamlessly integrated, providing the necessary support for a prosperous and sustainable world. Section 7. The Global Gamble. Buffett's international interests. Buffett's not just focused on the US though. He's a global investor, and he's always on the lookout for opportunities around the world. He's particularly interested in emerging markets, where he sees a lot of potential for growth. These markets are often riskier, but they also offer the potential for higher returns. He's not afraid to take on some risk, as long as he believes the potential reward is worth it. He's a shrewd investor and he knows how to pick his spots. Section 8. Why Buffett's 2025 strategy matters now. So why should you care about Buffett's 2025 strategy? Because this guy knows his stuff. He's been there, done that, and bought the t-shirt. He's not always right, but he's right more often than not. His strategy is all about long-term growth and stability. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. And that's something we can all get behind. In these uncertain times, it's comforting to have someone like Buffett to guide us. He's a beacon of hope in the often turbulent world of investing. Section 9. Learn from the legend Buffett's enduring lessons. Look, you don't have to be a Wall Street wizard to learn from Buffett. His wisdom is accessible to everyone, from seasoned investors to those just starting out. Buffett's approach to investing is grounded in simplicity and common sense, making it easy for anyone to grasp and apply. His principles are timeless. Be patient, do your research, and don't be afraid to be greedy when others are fearful. Patience is key in Buffett's strategy. He often emphasizes the importance of waiting for the right opportunity rather than rushing into investments. This patience allows for more informed decisions and better outcomes. He's a straight shooter, tells it like it is. Buffett's honesty and transparency have earned him the trust and respect of millions. He doesn't sugarcoat the realities of investing, and his straightforward advice is a breath of fresh air in a world often filled with jargon and complexity. He's living proof that you don't need fancy algorithms or insider trading to make it big. Buffett's success is built on a foundation of thorough research and a deep understanding of the companies he invests in. He looks for businesses with strong fundamentals and long-term potential, rather than chasing short-term gains. Just common sense and a whole lot of patience. Buffett's approach is a reminder that sometimes the simplest strategies are the most effective. By focusing on the basics and maintaining a disciplined approach, anyone can achieve financial success. So, pay attention to what the Oracle of Omaha is doing. His every move is a lesson in itself. Whether it's his investment choices, his philanthropic efforts, or his personal habits, there's always something to learn from Buffett. Learn from his wisdom, and you just might find yourself on the road to financial freedom. Booyah! By adopting Buffett's principles and applying them to your own financial journey, you can pave the way to a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth steadily and sustainably. So take a page from Buffett's book and start your journey today.